Pero I just wake up this morning. I don't know. I just heard some irritating noise like beeping. And I noticed it's my 2009 Honda CRV. I show you how this one it's take it up or so I just want to wait until heard that beeping and I show you how this one to remove using the remote pub that you have in your car. Let's try that key later. So wait, did you hear that beeping? So guys, to remove that annoying thing that's beeping is easy. So as you can see, it's beeping, right? And you just open your door, make sure it's in a open position. Start it. So we just reset that's the way how you reset your beeping noise. So now shut it down and put this one to open. So I always put this one in this side pocket and closed it. And let's see if there's still a beeping noise. Let's wait for 20 seconds again because it's beep in every 20 seconds. So let's wait for 20 seconds if it is still beeps. If the past the 20 seconds, so it means your problem is fixed. That's the easy way to remove or release that annoying beeping every 20 to 30 seconds. So I think it's fixed. So easy fix. Hopefully you learned that one. You don't need to do nothing. Just follow the one I do earlier, the procedures, and you're gonna have a good result. Have a wonderful day. See you next time. Thanks. Bye-bye.